So now you have the script, the voiceover, and it's time to create the video, right? For that, you will need some footage, photos, music, or even sound effects depending on your niche. Let's cover each of them. Let's grab the Jay-Z Mansion video. And to do that, we will search on Google for download YouTube video. And I'll use the first site that comes. Here, we paste the link and I'll choose the 720p quality and click download. Some pop-ups will come up, but you can close them. And here we can see the video downloaded. One important thing to watch out for is if the video has any watermarks on it. Although you can zoom into the video so that part is not seen, it's better to find ones that don't have them in the first place. You can use any website that has the ability to download YouTube videos. Then, you can cut and use the footage based on the fair use policy as discussed earlier in this course. You can also buy footage from websites like Storyblocks, which costs something like 30 euros per month for unlimited downloads. You can safely use any of the footage found here in your videos. Besides video footage, you also get access to music and sound effects, images, and so much more. Give it a try. It's really cheap and saves you a lot of time. You can of course use canva.com as well, or even Motion Array, to find footage and music for your videos. Another well-established website to find videos, music, and effects is Envato, and I use this website a lot for my web design business as well. Simply browse their different subsites and maybe you can find what you need. Websites like Pixabay and Pexels will give you free stock images that you can use in your videos. You can also download free music and sound effects from YouTube Audio Library. Here, you can select based on genre, mood, and much more. Simply click the play button to hear the music and download it if you want to use it in your video. YouTube will automatically add the license to your video description.